Hey guys, so today I'm going to tell you why you shouldn't be insulting your competition. Now, I see this all the time. I see businesses attacking each other on Facebook. I see all sorts of trash talk. So that's one of the problems of being a marketer. But you shouldn't be trash talking your opponents or your competition. You shouldn't be insulting them or mocking their products. Now, there are many reasons why you shouldn't do this. So, for example, let's say you've got customers that also use another business that you're insulting. That means you're insulting their personal choices, and that can alienate your customers no end. So that's a really bad thing. It does make you look very petty and childish. When it comes to it, if you've got a product and they're doing the same sort of thing in their business, it invites comparison between your products, and that can end up having a really detrimental effect on your business. So when it comes down to it, it's much better to be much more positive about your competition. So if someone says, well, what do you think about this other business, like your competition, just say, oh yeah, they're doing a really good job, I really like what they're doing. That is good, because it raises you in the eyes of the people who will ask these kind of questions. And it also builds up another person's business. Now, when it comes down to it, doing that is much better than insulting another person's business, because you're not going to be upsetting people. And the worst thing that can happen is that another business finds out what you're saying about them and does some serious damage to your business, like they leave really bad reviews for you. Even if they're lies, you might not be able to get rid of them. So when it comes down to it, this kind of stuff can be really, really damaging, and you really don't want somebody doing some espionage stuff. I'm trying not to swear on the back end of your business, because some people who are very knowledgeable, they'll know exactly how to hit your business, and if you give them a reason, they'll go for you. And I've seen this happen many times. The amount of times that I've seen after one business has attacked another, the amount of times you just see a load of AI reviews of their business that are negative on Google or some stuff like that. Because the thing is, as a marketer, we benchmark our competition, so we sort of analyze them. And you can kind of notice these things happening, especially when you're looking at a lot of different businesses. So it's really, really good to just play it safe and be as friendly as possible in the world of business. I know they're the competition, and I know that you want to take them out the back and whack them. But the fact of the matter is, it is much better to get along with your competition than to make an enemy that is going to hound you and attack you at every opportunity. And this is not going to be good for anybody's business. And you never know, two businesses that have been fighting each other for ages, people are just going to go elsewhere. They're not interested in that kind of drama. Yeah, there are some people who like drama, but they tend to go for different things. They tend to go for different things, and they aren't the ideal customers that you would want anyway. Anyway, hopefully this will help. Whatever you do, be nice to your competition and play safe out there. Even if someone's being horrible to you, just be as friendly as possible back. Anyway, you have a nice day. Take care. Bye.